Magandang umaga, tanghali, hapon, habang umuulan at umaaraw sa inyo mga madlang people. Ako nga pala si Jelly Rosie. Mga ako para sa aking Kaya ako dahil nakasama ko ang aking mga kaibigan dito sa aming bahay. Nakikita nyo naman, nakaupo sila at sandamakbak ang kanilang pawis para lang manood sa akin. Alam nating lahat na ang sorpresang iyon ay ang isang video. Panoorin na natin.
I'm thinking, baby, you and I are undeniable, but I'm finding out love's unreliable. I'm giving all I got to make you stay, or am I just a roadblock in your way? 'Cause you're a pretty little windstorm out on the boulevard, something like a sunset. Oh, yeah, a shooting star. And I might drive myself insane if those lips aren't speaking my name. 'Cause I've got some intuition, or maybe I'm superstitious, but I think you're a pretty sweet pill that I'm swallowing down to counter this addiction. You got me on a mission. Tell me, darling, can I get a break somehow? Could I say no? She's got a love like whoa. Girls got a love like whoa. I kinda feel like it don't make sense, 'cause you're bringing me in and now you're kicking me out again. Love so strong, then you moves on, and I'm hung up in suspense, because you're bringing me in and then you're kicking me out again. It's like a hurricane speed train, she's a moving car, catch her in the fast lane. Oh, I gotta know, can I keep up with her pace? Kicking into gear when I see that face. You can take up all my time, 'cause you're the only one that can make a storm cloud.